Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a barbecue today. My barbecue, I'm gonna be making the chicken, like a roasted chicken, and some shrimps, okay? We're gonna take those outside and go do some barbecue today. So I already washed my shrimps and wash my chicken, and those are the season I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some yellow mustard and black pepper. I like this black pepper. Guess what? This is just $1 in the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna use my jollof rice spice. This spice is very good. I use this for my jollof rice, but it tastes very good, and I love the flavor in it. And my chicken season. This season, you can get this season in any kind of supermarket. It's really for like if you're roasting a chicken, you see. If you're roasting any kind of chicken, you put this season on it. Got so much different spice to it. Very good. Okay. So I'm gonna start seasoning my chicken. The same season I'm using for my chicken, I'm gonna use the same season for my shrimps too. Okay. So I'm showing you guys what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna put some in here, and I'm gonna put some here too. The same season, nothing different. I need more mustard because the chicken is a lot. What I do sometimes, right, when I do like those kind of chicken, when it's too much, I will leave it like in the fridge. So I'm gonna do like different dishes with it. That's what I do sometimes. Like if I got leftover of those food, if I make it like today with salad, so the next day I'm gonna make it with attieke. So that's what I do. So basically today I'm gonna make it with attieke. So if we eat it today with attieke, so the leftover I will do it with a salad for the leftover. That's what I do. Sometimes I will fry like a potato, I will fry like a potato and make some a little bit of gravy for the potato, and after we're gonna eat the leftover with potato. That's what I do, and it will taste so great. And I'm gonna use some of this season too. This is now open, so I'm gonna open it. Look, I cannot do it with one hand. One thing about the shrimps, you need to season your shrimps very light, because you will have so much salt on it. Okay, so I'm gonna put all the season, the same season I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put all the season and mix it, and after I'm gonna let this sit for 1 hour at least before I'm gonna take them outside and start grilling those food. And I'm gonna put the stick on. I'm gonna put those shrimps on the stick. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, now I've just finished seasoning my chicken and my shrimps. And one thing I did not tell you guys, I add like a Maggi, like the chicken bouillon. I add 2 chicken bouillon to my chicken and one like a half chicken bouillon to my shrimps. Like, you know, those small chicken bouillon, the African one, Maggi, I did. You want to make sure that it's very tasty. And I'm gonna put the shrimps in this stick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the stick in the water like for at least like 20 minutes. Okay, because the reason why you're doing that, if you put the shrimps on the stick just like that, sometimes if you put on the fire, it will burn quick. But if you soak it, so it will be moist, a lot of moist on the stick, so the stick will not burn. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm doing that. My shrimps is well seasoned. You see that? When you season your food, it's good. Trust me, when you finish cooking it, it tastes so good. A lot of time, that's when people taste my food, they be like, oh, how your food tastes good. The reason why my food tastes good, because my food is well seasoned. That's one big secret. You can copy whatever I'm doing right now. If you don't season your food well, trust me, your food will be different with mine. Season is the key. Season your food and take even the raw chicken and put it in your tongue and try if it tastes good. Because if the raw food tastes good, I mean if you cook it, it will taste even better. You understand that? So that's one of the big secret. So I'm gonna put this for 20 minutes in the water or 15 minutes. After, I'm gonna put the shrimps and the steak, even like a 4-4-4. Everybody know how to do that. So after, when it's time to grill the chicken, I'm gonna go to the backyard and do the grilling. Okay. So it's almost time now to start grilling the chicken and the shrimps. So I already put the shrimps and the steak. Like if you want, you can put like a tomato, anything you want to do, but I like mine just simple like this. Simple is better. Okay. So I put my simple and decorate the end with the tail. I did that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steak. That's enough. So that's my attieke. So I'm gonna do the attieke and the attieke sauce. I got a lot of video how to make attieke, so I don't want to repeat myself over and over. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to do the barbecue, and after I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna start going to the backyard and start rolling our chicken and the shrimps. Okay, so I'm removing the whole charcoal out of my grill, and after we're gonna put I'm gonna put the charcoal. So that's the whole charcoal. So we're gonna start grilling. This is my backyard. So I'm in the backyard right now. So we're gonna do the grill. I'm gonna clean up my grill, and we're gonna start doing the barbecue. All right, let's start it. So it's time to put the chicken now. So I already washed the grill. Everything is nice and clean. So I'm putting the chicken now. So putting all the chicken, but my husband is helping me out to do the barbecue, so I'm just trying to put some meat first right now. Oh, today is very hot, man. So hot outside today. So I'm gonna put the chicken right now. When you put the chicken, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna close the lid, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do the chicken first. After, when the chicken is almost ready, I'm gonna do the shrimp. The shrimp's gonna be the last thing to do. Oops. The chicken is gonna be the last thing to do, so I'm gonna put all those chicken here. So after that, I'm gonna do the shrimps, okay? So let me do the chicken and close the lid, and after I'm gonna show you guys what's going on later, okay? So this is the barbecue chicken. The chicken is almost ready because my husband was the one doing it outside, and I was making the side dishes. So we're gonna do the shrimps too. Oh, the chicken looks so good. And I'm gonna make a plate and show you the side dish. The side dish is attieke with shrimps and chicken. And one thing to this sauce, the one my husband is rubbing on it, that was Maggi and some more oil and some pepper, like a hot pepper, like a dry chili pepper. So we mix those, and that's why we rubbing on top of the chicken and the shrimps. When you do that, your food will give your food more good flavor, because that Maggi sauce tastes good already, and I already seasoned the meat already. So you keep on rubbing those on top of the meat, The meat's gonna get juicy and will give you more good flavor. Okay. There. The shrimps is looking good already. Because one thing too, when you're doing the shrimps, you don't let the shrimps stay so long though, because shrimps will cook so fast. So he's keeping added and building more flavor on top of a flavor. So when you bite on the shrimps, you're gonna have more flavor to it. You'll be like, damn.
I'm gonna close it. I need that heat.
So he's gonna close it down. But you know the shrimps, you're supposed to make sure you check your shrimps. Your shrimps not supposed to overcook, okay? My husband opened the shrimps already. Let me come closer so y'all can see it. The shrimps is almost ready, because anytime you see a shrimps pink like this. So this is the chicken, and the shrimps is ready too. My husband ready to take it off, and we making the plate. See the plate? Oh my God. That's the finishing product. So that's attieke and shrimps and chicken. All right then. So please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna make. And please go to my Instagram too. I have an Instagram. My name is Howard Fofana, just like the same name. Just like the same name I have on my YouTube. You can go and follow me on my Instagram. Please go to my Instagram and subscribe, please. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, please, and go to my Instagram and follow me. My kid, they're giving me so much headache. That's the reason why. Okay, then, so this is the rest of it, and we put in the plate. And thank you for watching our cuisine once again. Love you guys so much. Bye.